ka Shillong Medical College ka bamanda ka layat khmat ban shemi ki klas na ka banta ki khna puli doctor hadu manta kala kam klem da plie pajba yaka habakren bad umutri jong katanat ka kot ka khya ba wailat miki shela ni kasngi ulai tu ba ka sorkar ka thrang dik ban yo plino yak Shillong Medical College khnang ba ki pajba kinla ban itu yak jingdon kam jong kani ka jaka puli ulai tu ro ba sorkar ka thrang ba umutri rang badu kari Narendra Modi unwan ban plie ya kani lani uModi badai pet ya katanat ka kot ka khya jok sorkar pedeng udai banwan nagaleng ba wailat ulai tu bak sorkar kakwa ban plino yak Shillong Medical College kloi karbala hanrai kumbalong manta gidang abi gijing manjur jong menteri rang badu jong kari lani uModi badai pet ya katanat ka kot ka khya lono kilat por bat katarik bad hakata kasngi kin sapli pajba no yaka.
See, because as we, I think, not only you, all of us, we are expecting to see, because this is very one of the, kind of long aspiration of the people of the state. So that's why we want to do it in a big way. So the people should realize the importance of this. So that's why we are expecting either PM or our Union Health Minister should come and inaugurate. So we have discussed actually a couple of times where they have given us date also, but later on I think something come up, then we have to cancel it. So even now also we are in the discussion that because we want either PM or Union Health Minister what to do it. So we are just waiting for the finalization.
What is the tentative date?
As soon as possible, because we don't want also to delay so much, because as we all know the session is already started. So no doubt we are as soon as possible, whenever they can give us time. We are continuously in touch with them.